Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're talking about the Walmart Debit Visa gift card, and more specifically, we're gonna see if we can add it into our Google Pay account and use it as a payment method. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with the Walmart Debit Visa gift card, one thing I wanna let you know, it's different than the Walmart Debit Visa prepaid card because both you can buy at a local Walmart. I bought this one at Walmart in Orange County. The difference is when you buy this card, you can load cash, green cash, onto the Debit Visa card. Once you do that, then you can use it at most places that accept Debit Visa, which is most places these days, but you can only load money onto it the initial loading. You can't reload money onto the Debit Visa gift card from Walmart, so that's the big difference. But can you use it on your GPay app as a payment method? That's what we're going to find out. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the app. It's this white one with a colorful G. If you don't have the app already, be sure to check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there, but I'm going to open it now. All right, so I went ahead and opened up my Google Pay app, and here on the home screen, you're going to see various notifications that Google has sent to you. So this one at the top says Google Pay money transfers are always free. Next, it says you can get your money faster with Google Pay if you use a debit card, but we're not going to worry about that. If you want to try to add your Walmart Debit Visa gift card into your GPay app, look down here at the bottom line. It's this kind of menu line. There's three options called Home, Payment Methods, and Passes. You want to click on the middle one called Payment Methods. It looks like it has a little credit card up above it. I'm going to click there now. All right, next the screen pops up, and this screen shows you all the different payment methods that you already have associated with your Google Pay app. So you can see I have a Visa and a MasterCard here, but don't worry about that. If you want to try to add the Walmart Debit Visa gift card in, you want to click this blue button right here at the bottom. It's called Add Payment Method. It has a little plus icon next to it. So I'm going to click there now. All right, next the screen pops up and Google Pay is asking for the full 16-digit card number from my Walmart Debit Visa gift card. So I'm going to enter that information in off screen now. All right, so I went ahead and entered in the 16-digit Debit Visa gift card from Walmart number, and next they were asking for the expiration date, security code, and also to verify the billing address for this card. So I went ahead and entered that in. One thing I want to note is about the billing address. Generally, when you're using this card online, the address that you want to use is the address that you use to register your Walmart gift card. If you haven't registered it yet, then you'll want to go back and watch my other video that explains that process step by step. But I went ahead and entered all that information in, and this blue button popped up called Save. It's right here in the middle. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, and just a few seconds later, this screen popped up again that shows all the different payment methods associated with my GPay app. And it looks like, yes, you can use your Walmart Debit Visa gift card on the Google Pay as a payment method. So as you can see, I now have two Visas in my GPay app. If you were not able to add your Walmart Debit Visa gift card into your Google Pay app for some reason, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know why that might be, but as far as I can see, it looks like that shouldn't be an issue at all. So hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.